What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, I found some new marshmallows. This time it's strawberry filled with chocolate. You guys remember these ones from last year? We had the chocolate ones that were filled, but wait a minute, I never saw these. Chocolate peppermint bark. These are a limited edition. Okay, they're so heavy too. Oh my gosh, you guys. I mean, maybe one, but I gotta pass on those. Okay, you guys, what do we want to look at? Food, cleaning stuff. They're gonna be closing soon and I have to be picky. Oh my gosh, you guys, this cleaning aisle is beautiful. Look at it, you guys. It's like immaculate. I have to show it to you guys. Oh my gosh. If you are into perfect content, watch this. And when I say that, like, you know, people that like ASMR, that like to watch things that are so satisfying because it's like completely done, or like shelf straightening. This is amazing. Wow. Wow. This is the most perfect cleaning aisle I've ever seen. Ever. Wow. Okay, while I'm admiring the cleaning aisle, I'm searching for new items as well. Wow. Wow. This is great if you guys haven't tried it yet. Excuse me. The Juniper Clean Surface Cleaner is here. And I know this costs more than $1 everywhere else. Ooh, what's this? B4. These are new. The air freshener for your toilet. B4 toilet drops. Okay. Fill the bathroom with the clean and refreshing scents of B4 toilet drops. Do it before. I wonder if this is like the stuff you spray in the water. It has to be. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried this. Now this one is Eucalyptus Breeze. Okay, let's see if the side says anything. Because that other stuff you spray in the water works really well. The safety of this product has not been determined. Okay, but you're putting it in your toilet, so I think we're gonna be good. Toilet drops. Okay, I wanna try. B4 toilet drops. Think before you stink. Okay, I'm gonna try them. You guys know buying like poopery and all that stuff in Walmart, those are like $10 each, which I would never pay $10 for something that I'm gonna flush down the toilet, even though they do smell pretty good. I'll try one of these, one of each. Before, not after, before. This side over here looks just as beautiful. Wow, I'm just so impressed. To those of you that don't appreciate this, I'm sorry, but you should. And this stuff is amazing. I'm gonna get 2 boxes of this because this stuff is amazing. We've been loving it in my house. We've really been loving it in my house. Oh, and these are still here. These cost a lot more at Walmart. These are the Soft Scrub Duo Cubes. This is an in-tank automatic toilet cleaner. Many of you have told me that you really like those and they work really well. Let's look down the food aisle. Let's see if we have anything new. Wow, that cleaning aisle was beautiful. I'm impressed with all sorts of things. I know that took a lot of work. Ooh, the hot and spicy is back. My family liked this. The hot and spicy ketchup. This is the 3rd time I've seen this come back in like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 years. They really liked it, so I'm gonna get it again. Ooh, Annie's cheesy rice. Hold up. Cheesy rice pizza flavored rice and cheese sauce with hidden veggies. Annie's, hey, tell me if it's good in the comments, because it kind of doesn't sound good. Oh, you guys, I need soup. I need soup. No, no, don't close. No. There's lots of people in here still. I'm sure no one wants it to close. I'm gonna stock up on soup. This soup is like super low Weight Watchers points. Super low. My kids like it. So I am loading up. I got my soup. I almost forgot my soup. That would have been really bad. Okay, let's see if we have anything interesting over here. We have waffles. Love those. My family loves those. I don't really eat them, but I made waffle French toast the other day. Ooh, the baked soft pretzels. Those are super pretzels. You guys are like, please don't say that again. They really are though. Flip over the box and you guys will see that it's made by the same company that makes super pretzels. J&J Foods, or J&J Snack Foods. Caffeine. What's this? Oh yeah, I saw this last week. Macho Mango Hydro. And then Zoa, the Zoa drinks. This is in wild orange. I didn't know that this was the Rock's drink, or he did like commercials for it. It's probably his drink. What is this? Vooz Raging Raspberry Hibiscus. 10 calories. No sugar. Hydrating sensation. Yum. We also have Blue Raz up there. Accelerator. Zero sugar island guava. And it has caffeine. The Jelly Belly drinks are still here. Ooh, the Jelly Belly mix. This is my first time seeing this. The Jelly Belly drink mix. All right, I'll try one of each. You guys know I love my drink mixes. The Skittles mix is here. Okay, did I get all of them? Oh, this is so good, you guys. This is really good too. I think I have one of those at home though still. And look, you guys, tons of shirts. Tons of shirts. I wish I didn't have to go. I got off to a late start once again. So yeah, I didn't get to film in here as much as I wanted to. Lindauer Zing. This is a 60% pure apple juice, 40% sparkling water drink. No added sugar or sweetener. You get 4 in a pack. Each one is 89 calories. You get a little 4-pack. And then we also have brand new this week. We have sugar-free, 0-calorie strawberry margarita mix. It's non-alcoholic. We also have the regular margarita mix. Again, sugar-free and 0 calories. And we have mojito, sugar-free, 0 calories. All non-alcoholic. And one more, we have Zing Zang margarita mix. It's all natural, the award-winning margarita mix. 32 ounces, you guys. If margaritas is your thing, if mojitos are your thing, come to Dollar Tree and save a lot of money. I mean, this sugar-free stuff costs a lot more everywhere else. Sometimes we see it in places like TJ Maxx or Ross or Marshall's, but even there, it costs more than $1. Sugar-free. I wish I had some time to see if I could like look up some ideas for this. Being that it's sugar-free and 0 calories, I wonder if I could do something non-alcoholic with it. Kind of sounds interesting. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. I really wish I didn't have to leave, but it's time to go. And they're gonna be closing any minute, so wow. I'm gonna have to come back to this location and film a lot longer for you guys, but I had a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching. and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.